Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a fast motion video using the speed feature in CapCut Mobile. Super simple. You're just going to select your video, then you are going to select speed. Go to normal, and if you want to speed it up, you are going to move this to the right. If you want to slow it down, move it to the left. So select the slider and just move it to the right, for instance, and then press the check mark button. And as you can see, now your video is sped up. So this video is actually slowed down a lot, so if you think that's not fast enough, just go to speed and move it again to the right. Maybe not 10x speed, but that's basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!